guys. Hello guys. Today I'm going to learn to find the eggs. So it's a potato tablet storage. So me and Caleb want to play with eggs. Look, he's Caleb. And now gonna find eggs. Oh, about 1 hour time. So let's just get started. So the first thing to do is the green egg. That's right. Don't show. Let's find it. Is it there? I found it. I found the green egg. What's it here? What is this? A bladder block. That's cool. I'll just do it. Second, first another flag. First another block. Replace. Where's the? Aha! Do not choose. Okay. Here. Now, where is the yellow? I hope you saw it. Where's the? Aha! There it is. There it is. The yellow egg. I thought this was the second. Oh no! Wow! This is so great. Second piece, block and roll. Oh. We got 2 pieces. The next one is the orange, so it's good. What is this? Why there's another block? What is this? A letter. To find the purple egg, you must find the clues. Oh, it says right. Look, it says right. Let me just place it here. Wait. Okay, that's what I think it could. Okay, we must find the pinky. Oh, what is this? Wow, the right? Okay. Okay, so now returned. Okay. Oh no! Let's find it another piece. Is it under here? Or there? No, we're not done yet. Oh, it's my biscuit. Guys, I don't have to. Because I don't have so much thing to do. But look, Kalebi is watching Gilly Gilly. Look, Kalebi is watching Gilly Gillies. Okay. I know. Let's know what's inside. Okay. Now let's watch it. Oh, I found the final. Let's just. Oh, it's got taped. What do we do? Aha! Correct. It's not working. It's not working. What do we do? Wow, this is great job. Wow, it's so cool. Hey, collect the baby. Just wait. Hey, collect me. Collect me. Join the react.
No.
Okay, I will do. Do you see my grip? What is this in? I hope he's got even a full of shout. I know it's gonna take a look. Oh, there we go. It's lucky. Now to remove this. Okay, now it's done. So, we're gonna. I have a ghost. Hey, what is this? What is this in the bird egg? Wow, it's a food! Yay, we win! We win! I hope what's inside. Ah. It looks yummy. Let's eat. Tastes yummy.
Yes nga. Bo, wag mo buksan to ha. Pati nga yan. Ibalik mo yan.
Let me taste my dad.
Sarap? Wag mo buksan to ha.
Daddy, buying you water? Sorry everyone, I'm just speaking Filipino.
Oh. Ubusin mo yan ha. Ubusin mo na yan.
Mm. You are the best purple egg. You are the best purple egg. Oh no. So good. So today guys, so today guys, this is the end. Goodbye everyone.